Now that you've finished cutting out your shorts or your pants, you're ready to start sewing. Now on this particular pattern, you will not need to do any tracing with a tracing wheel or tracing paper because there's nothing to mark. There's no pocket or darts or pleats or anything like that. So you're going to go to the first step, and it's going to tell you to stitch the front and the back. Almost all short and pant patterns start with that. So if your pant or shorts pattern is a little different than the Butterick 5153, it's probably going to be similar. So to do that, you're going to unpin all your stuff, and you want to make sure you know which one's the front. The front is usually a little bit skinnier here, but you could take a marking pencil and write front on it, and a back. Now the trick is to make sure you pin your front to a back and not your, don't pin the backs together and don't pin the front. So you're going to take one of each. So you take one front and one back, and you're going to pin these pretty sides together. You want the right sides together. Now we're going to stitch this seam right here. Okay? If you're doing pants, it's going to be longer. And what you're going to do is you're going to put about 3 pins in. Your notches are these triangles. You're going to match those up. And you're going to put your pins in perpendicular to the edge. For shorts, I would put at least 4 to 5 pins in. When they're perpendicular to the edge, they're easier to take out as you sew. Now, if you don't have a right or a wrong side of your fabric, you need to make sure that you mark it. Like this, there's a definite pretty side and a wrong side, so it makes it a lot easier. Now, it's going to not match up here, and if it doesn't match up here, you did it right. If it matches up right here, these two edges, then it's wrong. Okay, then you're going to take the other one and do the same thing. You're going to pin the pretty sides together. You're going to focus only on this seam, which is the inner leg seam, and pin it just the same as the other side. Once you get that done, you need to get the approval from the teacher to go ahead and sew. So I'm going to stop right there until you're ready.